Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant and owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I just came from an event that I was selected to be a member. Out of 1,800 applicants, I was selected. That's why being in position matters. Now, let me tell you what I was selected for. I was selected for the NFL Draft Source program. Next year, the NFL Draft is in our city's hosting, Pittsburgh's hosting the NFL Draft next year. So that's like a big deal for the city, a huge deal for the city, like $200 million of spend. So, like, this is amazing. This is amazing. And then I think there was only like 3 cleaning companies there. Listen, it's so much work. We could all collaborate. So this is what I mean by you got to get out there, let people know who you are. You got to go out and network even when you're scared and when you don't feel like it. Listen, they told the whole city to go down there and apply and stuff. And everybody did. And only a few got selected. And I was one of them. So I just thank God. Thank God. Because this opportunity gives me an opportunity to give opportunities. Come on, y'all. Let's go out here and win. Get in position. If you need help, sign up for my program. I hope you get in position. I can only teach you what I do. So, you guys, I just need your help. I need you to like and subscribe to my channel so eventually I'll be able to go live on YouTube. But right now I could go live on Facebook. So I'm going to start going live on Facebook. But so you guys can ask me questions and stuff. So, get in position. I got some pictures of the event I'm going to share on this video. So get in position. See you guys at the top. And y'all also going to see in some of those pics, my niece was working the event. This shows you the power of networking. My sister's daughter worked the NFL Draft Source event. So get in position, y'all.